Hey, Memo here with Apollo Screen and Shade. I want to show you this install we just did in Palm Springs. A retractable screen door at the front entry and a sliding screen door on the back patio. And together they do something really simple but really satisfying. They open the whole house up. The front door gets a lot of attention because most people don't think of a screen door as something that can look good. This one disappears when it's not in use, completely retracted, nothing to look at.
When you want the breeze, you pull it out. When you don't, nobody even knows it's there. HOA friendly, curb appeal intact. The back is a sliding patio door replacement. Same idea.
The original slider screen was the kind that jumps off the track, sticks, and sits there looking dingy whether you're using it or not. This one only comes out when you want it, and with both screens open at the same time front to back, you get a genuine cross breeze moving through the house.
In Palm Springs heat, that's not a small thing. Apollo's been doing this for over 20 years.
Everything is custom measured, factory built, and installed by our own crew, not a subcontractor. The fit is exact and the retraction is smooth and controlled every time. If you want to see what this looks like at your place, reach out to us for a free in-home consultation. We'll come to you, measure everything, and walk you through exactly what makes sense for your doors.